Hey guys, thank you for watching another video. On today's agenda, we got a new bash bar and dart cart for the Z. Currently headed to the shop to go install them and paint them. I'll tune in with y'all when I get there. I'm getting a smog, but there's some guys geeking out over the car. I just hope you guys can see it.
You have my dream. You have my dream.
I'm living your dream?
At a young age, I want before, not this car.
But just a different car.
200, that's 280.
Oh, the 280?
Before,
280Z?
280, yeah.
Yeah.
Before. But American here for Chevy Camaro, SS, and Shelby Cover. Now the people.
Yeah, no. Before this, I had a S2000.
Yeah, too many people buying this one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I can make them wide. Yeah.
Wide? Yeah, it's wide. It's a little bit wide. Yeah. Okay, so my bad. I've been bad with the camera. But long story short, currently painting the rear bash bar. What else have I done? Front bash bar is gonna get painted. Headlights were really crusty, so I re-cleared them. Now that carbon is cherry. Look at that, cherry with some internal work y'all see later. Also did my door cards. I don't know if you could tell, but it's like this holographic type flake. Like when you change it changes colors. Probably gonna do my harness bar in the center console on that. Still waiting for the seats. But yeah, that's what I got so far. Barely started on this. And yeah, also got this really cool shift boot for the inside of my car. If you're a hypebeast, you know. If you don't, then you don't. Get your bag up. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'll update you guys from time to time. So yet again, I'm terrible at filming this, but we got the interior parts painted. Just a simple little gloss black. I didn't care about painting this because it's gonna be replaced with a double din. Third car's in gloss black. A little orange peel, but besides that, glass should be fire. Poor car's torn apart. Front bash bar is all painted black. There's a rear one that didn't show, unfortunately. But if you guys ever have a Z and gonna take the rear bumper off, it's a pain in the behind. There's like 10 million bolts and clips that break. Luckily this one wasn't that bad. Alright guys, so quick little update. Blacked out the center console. Nice little gloss. Like I said, this is getting replaced, so I didn't care to protect it. Left the gray on the sides to match the gray right here. My Michi shift knob. With the Bape shift boot. Alright. So this is an update on the LRB dart cards. If you get them for the Z edition, come here. Alright, number one pet peeve. They send you these Allen key nuts with these lock nuts. Lock nuts only tighten after a certain amount. I don't know if they expect you to tighten them all the way or something, but it doesn't work. Same thing right here. So I think zip ties were my solution and they work a lot better, as you can see. And in the instructions are honestly not that great. They somehow mentioned the long one being flipped this way or whatever. For me, what worked best was the shorter one pointing this way like this, and the long one pointing this way like this. Another little issue I had with these was the fact that I'll show you guys later on, but right here they want you to like screw it in with like a wood screw, but I don't know how the wood screw is supposed to tighten into this, so I just use a nut and a bolt. But besides that, let's see, come here. With these, they give you a locking nut as well. I think a normal nut would probably work better. But besides that, that's not an issue. These go over the switch. The switch might be hard to put in. And that's about it. Cut it. Oh, yeah. Damn, I don't know how much you guys can see, but the cards are in. A little babe shift boot. My painted center console. I left the sides gray to match the little climate control knobs, I guess you call it. Mask, because you gotta protect yourself against the Rona. There's a dirt card there. Not bad, not bad. Little carbon steering wheel, you feel me? Right now I'm gonna take you guys on a little POV drive. It's pretty bussin'. That mirror finish. Oh shit. I guess you got a flash.